Carrie here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. Today we're going to look at how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. Now typically you'll void a check if you've sent it to somebody and they've never received it, or perhaps it's stale dated, you send it to them and it's 6 months or whatever the rule is wherever you're watching, and you want to void that and reissue it. Or maybe you've just put the paper in the printer the wrong way and made a big mess and you need to reprint the check with another number, so you have to void it. Fortunately, voiding checks in QuickBooks Online is super easy, so we'll walk through the steps here.
So here we are in the sample company, and I'm going to pop across to the register. Now let's say that we know that Tim Phillip has not received his check number 45. It's been lost in the mail, something has happened. So this is the check we're going to choose to void. So we're going to pop on here and we're going to say edit. Now another way to find this would be to open up a bill payment or an expense, click this backwards clock, and you have a list of the different checks in here. You could find it that way as well. So here we are, we've opened up bill payment number 45, check number 45. We pop down to more here and we click void. Now do you see that there's a warning that pops up? The reason for this is because this check is paying bills. So it's wanting to make sure, do you really want to void this because you've used it to pay a bill? And yes, we do. And this warning is great because it reminds us that we then need to reissue another check to pay that bill. So we're going to say, yes, we're going to void it. And it's been voided. Now, if you don't receive the warning, it could be because, for example, here we have just a check. We've paid Tanya for some job expenses. It's just an expense. It's not paying a bill. And if we voided that one, there would be no warning. And that's okay because we'd just have to repay Tanya. So do be aware the warning's there to remind you if it's a bill that's being paid. If you void this one of Tanya's, you'll have to start again with paying Tanya. So if we have a look now, we can see here that Tim's check says it's voided and it has an amount of 0. Let's just open it up and have a quick look just to see what it does look like. Everything's 0 and it says void. And notice here, the bill pops up requiring us to pay it again if that's what we'd want to do.
So now that's voided, you can re-enter your check details, send it out to your supplier, and your books should be completely in order. Keep an eye on that month-end reconciliation. Download my month-end checklist to make sure that you've got everything in order every month to know your books are accurate. If there's anything else I can help with, please do make a comment below. If this video was useful, click like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Cheers.